Hello everybody. Today I'm going to go through a few things that you can do to prepare for the beginning of the school year. School starts on September 6th, and before we can start accessing any of your curriculum sites, this would be a good time for us to get your computer set up with links and bookmarks and emails all set up on your Epic computer that you're renting, or even your home computer if that's the computer you're using. So this video isn't just for Epic laptop users. This is for everyone. So if you are an Epic laptop user, I would recommend that you keep that box that your computer came in, because if you ever have any issues, you're going to need to return that computer so it can be repaired. And by already having a box, that'll be super handy. You can also right-click on your desktop here and click on Personalize, and you can change your background themes. You can even click on Screensaver to change your screensaver and to make some personalization to your computer. That is perfectly fine. I encourage you to do that. Okay, I have down here in the bottom 3 internet browsers. I have Chrome, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. I will tell you, with Epic, most everything plays nicely with Internet, with Google Chrome. So if you can do Google Chrome for most everything you do, that will be beneficial to you, because you'll have less problems and less issues. So if you are using Internet Explorer or Firefox and you do notice some problems happening as you're working on your online sites and your online curriculum, one thing you could try would be to close out and reopen the site through Google Chrome and see if that helps. Okay, so I'm going to click on Google Chrome, and I've got my tabs preset to open up to my email. I'm going to show you how to do that. Very easy to do. I logged on to my Gmail account, which I recommend that every student have, or at least if it's a young student, I recommend that the parent have a Google Gmail account. You can set your email up, and if you want to, you can even set up your curriculum site. Let's say that you're an Odysseyware student, so you could go to the Odysseyware site and set it up for the second one. You could also set up a third one for, say, Study Island, since a lot of students will be working in Study Island. So, for instance, in this case, I'm going to change mine to where now it's going to be Gmail is my first tab, and then the login for Odysseyware, and then the login for Study Island will be the third one. To set those pages to where this is how it opens up every time you open up your Google browser, you come over here to these 3 lines, and you're going to scroll down and select Settings. When you select Settings, you're going to have 2 things I want you to do when you're in here. First thing I want you to do is make sure that under Appearances, you have Always Show the Bookmark Bar. Have it checked. That's this up here. That way you can easily find all your sites, because there's 2 ways you can quickly get to sites. Through these tabs up here at the top that preload and come up when you turn on Google Chrome, and all these extra sites down here. We wouldn't want all these to open up every time, but the ones that you will go to most frequently will be up here, and then the ones you will go to often, but maybe not every single day, would be down here. Okay, so make sure that Always Show the Bookmark Bar is checked. And then we're going to change the setting for On Startup. On Startup, and then we're going to click the third one down here that says Open a Specific Page or Set of Pages. So when we start up, we're going to want certain pages to open. So click Set Pages, and I currently just had my email, but I'm going to click this button here which says Use Current Pages, and it's going to load everything that I already have. So it's going to load my Gmail, it's going to load my Odysseyware, and it's going to load my Study Island. And then I'm going to click OK. Okay, so now what I can do is I can close this out, and then we can try again to see if it worked just right. There we go. All 3 of those tabs opened right up, and it's going to make for quick productivity. It's going to keep you on track and not hanging out on Facebook. It's going to keep you doing the stuff you need to do first and foremost. Now I'm going to show you real quickly how you can set up things up here in your bookmark bar, which is so great. When I get the sites that you're supposed to go to and the usernames and the passwords, I will start sending them to you in a Google Doc. And you'll open the Google Doc and you can click on any of the links that you would like to make a bookmark for, and it will open up that site. When you get to that site, you can get it to the login screen, which is right here. And then all you have to do is come up here and click this little star. By clicking that star, you're putting it on the bookmark bar when you select this right here, bookmark bar. Okay. I have some folders preset, so sometimes it asks me if I want them in the folders. I'm going to change this one to accelerated reader. Accelerated. Now you can see that accelerated reader is up here in the bookmark bar. You can have any of your tabs up here in the bookmark bar. So that's something I encourage you to do, is do the bookmark bar. Okay, so now let's talk about some things that are going to help make your life so much easier. I'm going to show you now how to take a screenshot using an Epic computer. If you're using your at-home computer, you kind of have to figure that on your own. But an Epic computer, this is how you would do it. So let's say we want to take a screenshot test. I'm going to show you how to do a screenshot. So let's say that you've come to log on here and you've typed in your username and password and you're getting an error screen. And you want to send me this page to show me that you're getting an error screen, and so that I can see kind of what's going on. So what you will do is, on your computer, you have a Windows key down the bottom left, and up in the top right you have a print screen key, which is PRTSC. You'll hold down on the Windows key, and while keeping hold of the Windows key, you'll press down on the print screen key. Nothing will happen on your screen. It will look as though nothing happened, but essentially you just took a screenshot, and I'm going to show you how you can send that to me. So I'm going to test it on this one right here. I'm going to hit my Windows key, hold down, print screen, I hit it. Now I'm going to come over to my email, and if you already have your email up, there are two ways you can send this to me. I'm going to show you one way is this over here. You can see me. If you can see me in your email, and you can see there's a green dot there, and that means I'm online. The good thing about this Google Hangout chat or this Gmail chat is that I get this on my phone, or I will get it on my computer no matter where I'm at. So if you wanted to send it to me here, you could. It's very easy to do. You just open this window up and start by sending it to me. I think I will even, I'm going to send one to myself. This is my personal email. So it opens up a chat window, and then what you do is you right click and then paste. Then hit enter. And then you can type a message. Help. I cannot log in. And if I'm away from my desk, I'll get that message through my phone. If I'm sitting right at my desk, I'll get that message right here. And it'll be quick and easy to get a hold of me. You could also compose this in an email and send it to me by email. All you have to do is open up an email, copy, right click and paste, and you can send it right to me. Help. Login isn't working. Okay. And then you can send that to me. So there's two ways you can send it to me. Through a Google chat or just through email. Both ways will get to me super fast. So I can help you on the spot if there's something that is an issue or concern. Okay, so what if you can't find this chat window down here. I'm going to show you how you can make sure that this chat window shows up on your Gmail account. You come over here to settings. It's the little wheel, the little gear, and then click on settings. And you have several tabs at the top. The tab we're looking for is the chat tab. And make sure that you have chat turned on like I do. If your chat's turned off, then this section over here will disappear. Okay. All right. Something else I wanted to show you while I was online with you is if you have technology problems, I want to give you a quick heads up of where to go. Go to the epiccharterschools.org website. And when you're here, you'll go over to the bottom left to the technology area. Beasley's Technology is a great resource for Epic users. And if you have any technology issues with your laptop, you can click here to find a technology support form. And this form can be filled out with any of the issues that your computer is having and then turned into Beasley's Technology. And there's also laptop care over here. Some quick little things that you can look at to tell you how to keep your laptop in good working order. One thing I recommend that isn't mentioned on this list is keeping your laptop plugged in at all times. It helps with the battery, especially since these are used computers. The other thing I would mention on this is if you are having some computer issues and things are not working real great, it's always a good idea to do a restart, reboot your computer and see if that solves the problem. So there's that. And then also if you have to return your materials to Epic, you can click this tab here and it will open up a form that you can fill out where you can return your laptop because you're withdrawing or because it needs to be repaired. And you've already talked to Beasley's and they're expecting you to return it. So you would come and fill out this form and fill it out with the appropriate boxes checked. And if you have a printer, they will email you a shipping label. If you kept the box like I suggested, then that makes that easy. You just stuff the computer in the bag, put the bag in the box, and then tape on the printing label that they emailed you. Then take it to a UPS store and it will get shipped to Beasley's very quickly, and then they can ship you another computer. If you do not have the box that the device came in originally, then all you have to do is click no, you do not have the box, and then they will send you a box. So that's a service that is provided to you and to all of our Epic students that are renting a computer. Okay, I think this is all the information I wanted to cram into this little jump start. So now the job comes where you need to start setting up your tabs, and you can start setting up your bookmark bar the way you want it. That way when you log onto your computer, you are extremely productive and can get your work done quickly and effectively. I will be sending out websites very soon, so be looking for those, okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.